Hello everyone, so I just wanted to make a quick video to show you a little fix I found to a bit of a problem with this remote. Specifically, the module is fine. So basically in the manual it says for the latched mode, press learning key 3 times and press remote first button like A or on, then it flashes, then you press the second one, which is B or off. So let's follow that real quick and I'll show you the problem. 1, 2, 3. It's going to stay on. You're going to press on the remote, it flashes. You're going to press off on the remote and it should be paired. So click on. As you can see, nothing happens. So I'll show you real quick why that is. So basically the problem is that both the buttons are on the same channel. Basically the buttons are connected to the same pin of the chip. So just take the controller apart real quick, or the remote I mean, and I'll show you the problem real quick. So as you can see, these two 0 ohm links on one side, this side, it has this pin of the button. This pin of this button goes to this side, and basically all of these pads here and here are connected to the same pin. So if, for example, this 0 ohm link, this pad right here is connected to this pad. So basically currently this button and this button are both connected to the same pin. So the chip has no idea if you're pressing this one or this one, and therefore the latched mode also cannot work. So I found a little fix, and the fix is to move this 0 ohm link one spot up so it's connected here. So I'll show you how to do that real quick. I'll just turn on my hot air gun and I'll show you. It's very easy. Let me put this away, of course. First, remove the battery, otherwise well, it's gonna get cooked. There you go. Just one more look. That's how it looks. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of flux just to make it slightly easier. And I'll show you what I'm gonna do. I'll zoom in real quick for you guys. Like this. This will make it a bit easier for me. So take your hot air gun. I mean, you can use a soldering iron too. Hot air is just a little bit easier. Get that up real quick. And I can see it's molten now. Take it off. I'm gonna move it one spot over. Don't know if you saw that. Make sure it's soldered, just like that. Should be done. I'll show you real quick. Come on. There you go. As you can see, we moved it one spot over. And that should fix our problem. So I'm just gonna cool it down real quick. Watch your ears, it's gonna be very loud. I'm using one of these little blowers. Let me just zoom back out. Just like that, should be good. And yes, it's cold. So put the battery back in. Make sure to put it the correct polarity like this. And then, let me just put this up just for show. Just stick it in like that. Just make sure it still works. As you can see, the LED still lights up. So now let's bring the power supply and the module back in. So let me turn the power on like this. Let me put it into pairing mode. 1, 2, 3, and it's on. So then take your remote real quick, like this. Click on, blinks, click off, blinks, and out. As you can see, it's working. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that, how to do that. I saw a lot of people in AliExpress reviews wondering, you know, why the latch mode wasn't working. So yeah.